Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today, we're talking about exactly how to sign a document when you're acting as someone's power of attorney. This is a big responsibility, and signing correctly is absolutely crucial. If you do it wrong, you could accidentally make yourself personally responsible for a contract, a loan, or a medical bill. The entire purpose of signing as a power of attorney, or POA, is to make it crystal clear that you are acting on behalf of someone else, not for yourself. The person who gave you this power is called the principal. You are the agent or attorney in fact. Your signature needs to show this legal relationship clearly and without any confusion. So, let's get right to it. First and most importantly, never, ever just sign your own name. That is the single biggest mistake you can make. Signing only your name implies the agreement is with you personally, and you could be held liable. Instead, you must use a specific format that includes the principal's name, your own signature, and a statement clarifying your role. There are two common and legally accepted ways to do this. Let's use an example to make it simple. Imagine the principal is named Jane Doe, and you, the agent, are John Smith. The first, and often clearest, method is to write the principal's name, followed by the word by, then your signature, and finally your title. It would look like this on the signature line. You'd first print Jane Doe, by, and then right after it, you would sign your name, John Smith. Then, directly under your signature, you would write your title, such as her attorney in fact, or simply as agent. The entire signature block shows that Jane Doe is the one bound by the document, and you are just the person signing for her. Another perfectly acceptable method is to sign your own name first, and then add your capacity. So, you would sign John Smith, and then right below or next to your signature, you'd write as attorney in fact for Jane Doe. Both of these formats accomplish the same critical goal. They state that Jane Doe is the one entering the agreement, and you, John Smith, are simply her designated agent. This removes all ambiguity. A couple of final tips: always have a copy of the actual power of attorney document with you when you go to sign anything. The bank, real estate agent, or other party will need to see it to verify you have the authority to act. Also, some financial institutions might have their own specific format they prefer, so it never hurts to ask them, "How would you like me to sign this as POA?" Remember, the goal is always to protect yourself from personal liability by making your role as an agent unmistakable. You are signing for them, not as them. We hope this clears up any confusion about signing as a power of attorney. It's a small detail that has huge legal importance. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward answers to your legal questions.